appropriate for patient or not. You can see for it have bar that's appropriate for patient to sit up, and after that we organize the activity and do the project. And this is slum in Thailand. It's very crowded, and
I have so many questions that I must ask.
okay,
Before that, my name is Safur.
Safo,
Yes.
Safo, okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm so excited about nursing in Thailand because it's so different from, and especially in Aceh. That's a new thing for me. Is about the first thing is about grocery important.
Okay, for the first question, we under the government. We got salary from the government for the government. Yeah. So everything is free because government pay everything.
Oh, so
Yeah.
yeah. Before that, I think that was not free from.
Every province in Thailand, every area in Thailand, we have community nurse. Yeah.
Not a volunteer outbreak too.
Yeah.
Healthcare process to get that nurse practitioner in Thailand.
Okay. I want to go into. Our first time I